Job vacancies into housekeeping department in a cruise lines. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. So guys, in this video I'm going to share a video of vacancies which are available into housekeeping department. And guys, these vacancies are going on for a cruise line where cruise lines are going to launch a new cruise ship next year, and which includes Dream Cruises, Star Cruises, and for that hiring is going on. So guys, but before I proceed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to the all notification on, so when I will make more interesting videos like this, you will get notified automatically. And if you are not following me on Instagram, you are making a mistake if you are looking for a vacancies, because I did share many vacancies in the last week on Instagram as well. Let's get started now. So guys, how you are supposed to apply for this vacancy, that I will tell you later on into this video, and how you have to send your resume. Some tips and tricks as well I will share with you. But now first of all, let's start from our vacancies. So the number one vacancy which is available into housekeeping department is deck pool steward, and guys, total 11 number of positions are available. So if you have a similar experience of steward, then definitely you can apply for it. Second position, laundry attendant, and guys, 28 positions are available for a laundry attendant. So if you have been working into laundry department into 4 to 5 star properties, into any resorts and all, you have a great opportunity to apply for a job. Third vacancy, attendant, and total 80 vacancies are available. And guys, this position name is attendant 1. So guys, whenever you will go on board ship, or even some of the organizations as well, so they do have a positions like attendant 1, attendant 2, attendant 3, and that's how your promotion goes, like, you know, that's how it happens somewhere. So this is the same thing over here. Attendant 1 is the position name, and total 80 number of positions are available. So if you have a similar experience of attendant, you can definitely apply. Fourth position, supervisor positions are available on a cruise ship. So guys, total 15, 10 plus 5, 15 number positions are available on a cruise ship. So if you have a similar experience, and if you have been working as a housekeeping supervisor and all, definitely you have a great option, great chance to apply for a cruise ship. Fifth vacancy is attendant. So guys, attendant positions are available on cruise ship, and guys, so many vacancies, means 163 vacancies are available of attendant. So if you have a similar experience, I highly recommend you to apply for this position. There are many chances to get hired for this position, as many vacancies are there. Next position is available officer steward, and guys, total 10 number of positions are available. So if you have a similar experience, you can apply for this. So guys, these are the vacancies which are available into housekeeping department. And now I will share with you where you are supposed to send your resume. But before I tell you where you are supposed to send your resume, I highly recommend you guys, make sure your resume is well optimized. It is ATS friendly and crispy resume. Do not go for 3 pages 4 pages long resumes, guys. No recruiter does pay attention to such a long resume. No, not at all. And guys, if you want to know how to prepare a good resume, then I have already prepared a video on a YouTube channel, best resume format 2021. So you can just go and YouTube it. Just search on a YouTube best resume format 2021, and my video is ranking on top, so you can watch that video. It will definitely help you to prepare a nice resume. And if you want, you can also download some templates from over there. In the description I have given some templates which you can download, and you can go through those templates, and it will help you to prepare a nice resume. So here, I hope your resume is fine now. And now this is the email ID where you are supposed to send your resume. Yes, email ID is hr@johnsiamarine.com. okay. So guys, how will you send your resume? Let me just give you some tips over here. So see, whenever you are sending an email, make sure into subject you mention for which position you are applying for. Like suppose you are applying for attendant, so make sure you mention applying for position attendant, right? So, and then in the body of the email, make sure you mention some of your experience which are relevant to the position, and some recent education or qualification which are directly relating or supporting the position. Definitely you should mention that, and attach your resume and send it, right? So guys, this is the proper way of sending a resume through email. And if you have a cover letter, then it is going to do a wonders to your application. And even if you want to know how to prepare a good cover letter for your job application, that video is also available on our channel. I will try to link all the videos on this I button, so you will be able to watch them and you can go through them and then apply for the position. And guys, don't be in a hurry just to apply for the position. Make sure your resume is well maintained, make sure it is updated, and then you apply for the positions. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, then please make sure you like this video. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because whenever I upload more videos like this, you will get notified automatically. Till then, take care. Bye bye.